Morning. This is Nita and Miss Panda with a Timepiece Garden. Saying it's an autumn day and the wind chimes are all going. We've got a wind advisory out. Just strong gusty winds today. There's also a fire warning. It's really dry. There's no humidity. We've not had any rain for a while, so you know, it's a no burn day type thing, because if something catches fire, it'll burn the mountain down. So yeah, we're out here. You can see it. I've got all kinds of little branches and twigs and stuff falling out of the trees. Like I said, it's windy today. So it was really calm first thing this morning, but it's got windy. It's going to stay windy, you know, according to the weather service. So I thought about going and doing some stuff in the garden, just, you know, making sure everything was good. The hard part is you just never know, you know, where a branch is going to come down, or how big of a branch is going to come down. So, just not sure. It's also chilly. You know, the wind doesn't let the air warm up. So we'll see, maybe after lunch. In the meantime, oh, excuse me. Y'all stay warm, stay out of the wind. And enjoy your day. And Panda and I will talk at you later. Afternoon. It's Nita with Timepiece Garden. Yeah, we're still on our crazy windy day. I'm out here in the garden because I have tomatoes to pick. I'm probably going to check out my greens and see if there's any greens I can cut and clip a couple of pieces and take in the house as well. Now this wind is because they've got a storm blowing in. It's supposed to bring the storm to us. So looking at storms, you know, starting tomorrow. I don't know if they'll catch on film, but there are two monarch butterflies hanging out here, probably trying to land on the zinnias, you know, get a little, because they migrate. And they're probably trying to get a little nectar off the zinnias. You know, so they can continue that trip. They're having issues though. It is a crazy windy day. Now so far I've looked at, I don't have any branches or sticks or anything on the deer fencing. Just some leaves, you know, and they're blowing through for the most part, so life is good. All right, well, let me get to picking tomatoes. You can see there's one on the vine down in there. You know, nice good color. So, gotta go through here, pick them all. I'm still not into freezing. We got down to about 37, but that wasn't a frost. And you can tell it didn't impact my tomatoes at all. Peppers are the same way, didn't impact it, so I'm not picking green ones yet. I'll wait till we have a severe frost warning type thing. Otherwise, come out here, pick some tomatoes. All right, y'all, have a great day, and I will talk at you later. So I hope it shows up on film, but there's one of the monarchs on a zinnia. Sorry about the wind. Doing his thing, getting that drink for that migration they got to do south. And what he'll do is he'll continue to drink for his health. He'll make it so my zinnias continue to cone, and I'll end up with some great seeds for next year. Again, I'm sorry for the wind. If I get too close to him, I'm scared he's gonna fly away. And I don't want to interrupt it, you know. Who knows when his next food, drink stop or food stop will be. But he's pretty. And there he goes. So he landed on the zinnia over there. Now he's gone, or he hit another flower. The pink one, I don't know if I can get you to see it. There he is, the pink one there in the center. So anyway, he's hitting them, he's getting a drink. You know, like I said, when I walked out here, there were 2 of them. And they're just hitting the zinnias, you know, getting that last little beat of nutrition till the next stop. And what's crazy is because they migrate, they'll come back. You know, and when one stops, he tends to bring other ones. So like next year, I'll have more butterflies. Come on, monarchs. There we go. I'll have more monarchs. And that's kind of why I have zinnia seeds that are scattered in here. You know, and I'll always have some. A couple of calendulas, the nostrums. You know, those are the things that even my marigolds are still in bloom right now, and they're that early drink for the bees and last drink for the butterflies and the hummingbirds that are migrating south. All right, with that, I got some greens picked and some tomatoes and strawberries and some peppers, and I'm gonna go in the house and get to washing that stuff off, and you know, figure out what I'm doing for dinner. So, y'all have a great day. And Panda and I'll talk to you later. All right, part 2 to the seed collection. I got things like my butterfly pea. Blue flowers are really good in salad. They're actually really sweet. They're all the pea pods. Now this is empty. There were only 20 seeds in here, and they weren't cheap. So, lots of pea pods. Nostrums, because their nostrums are in one of these bags. Got seeds over here. Some more of those seed pods. Again, the whole thing is to just maintain the seeds that I have, get them growing. I need to get the ones that I picked out of the garden the other day labeled as to what they are. You know, there you go. Look at that, nostrum seeds. So, you know, and that way I can get them started for winter. So, that's what I'll be doing this afternoon. And yeah, I'm going to get to work, and I'll talk at you later.